Hello, my spiritual friends. I just received a really interesting message from my angels and spirit guides, and I'd love to share it with you. It's about how to manifest your dreams and goals. They said, "We would like to expand on the concept of connection today. For all is connected in the realm of infinite possibilities, but it is not yet formed in your time-space existence. If you choose to bring it into your experience, you must use consciousness to attach it. This may be any level of creative consciousness. Without a paradox to block it or neutralize it, the complexity of consciousness can be confusing, but it is all appropriate and within the realm of your capacity to work with it." Okay, so I'm going to stop for just a second to explain this. You may have a goal or a desire that you want to bring into your reality, like, for example, selling a home. This happened to me a few years ago. So I wanted to sell my home, but I accidentally created a paradox when I also tried to manifest renting the same home. So it was an emotion of scarcity. So what happened? Nothing. I had trouble selling it, and I also had trouble renting it. So my guides are saying that it's important to pay attention to these potential paradoxes. Okay, so let me continue. There are these false paradoxes for every emotion that prevents manifestation. These must be disconnected from the energy field to clear the path. Only those who are most willing to look deep into the eyes of truth will be able to make the progress necessary for growth. But it shall also allow the greatest amount of healing and transformation to occur. So the guides are saying that we have to be willing to look deeper into our own feelings and perceptions. And when we do, we can have the most amazing transformations. I hope this was helpful for you. I'm Cynthia Clark, your spiritual mentor and multidimensional palmist. Please let me know in the comments if this was helpful for you. And I also invite you to take my free abundance quiz. Just click on the link in my bio to discover your personal abundance formula. And I would also appreciate it if you would follow and like this video so that I can reach more people and help them as well. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.